Our next keynote speaker is Dr. Jason Ma, Engineering Director of ChromeOS at Google Taiwan. The topic of his talk today is the current state and future of AI, AI for everyone. Let us welcome Dr. Jason Ma. Chairman Peng, Director General Liu, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to be here to share with you Google's current development in GenAI and also all the possible AI applications in hybrid AI. The first topic of my talk today is very interesting. It relates to Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. It was actually taking many minutes for me during the talks. In some of the speech delivered before, ChatGPT was mentioned 8 times. Do you know what T stand for in ChatGPT? T stand for the white paper published by Google. It represents transformer. Starting from 2017, Google has transformed from mobile computing to AI first company. So I'm very honored to be here to share with you what Google has been focusing on and what's the transformation that's been taken over the past 7 years. I will also talk about our increased investment in AI and the current results from the developments. The first topic is, of course, something that we are all very interested in, I believe. That is the key Google innovation in AI. Last morning I listened to Google I/O throughout the night, and there were some continued new innovations, and I collected them. So I'm bringing you the most updated innovation. The second topic of my talk today is something highly relevant for Google, and that is open and responsible AI. AI should be for everyone. So based on these topics, I will begin first with the innovation. The Gemini large language model. In 2017, based on the AI first transformation strategy, we launched Gemini 1.0. This is a very powerful model mentioned several times before. More and more recently, you heard the term multi-modality model. From day one, Gemini was developed as a multi-modality model. It can enable text to video. It can read. It can read pictures. It can infer. It can conduct logic analysis. So from day one, we designed a very unique function and a very long text. What does that mean? It means that Gemini can handle 1 million characters. From 1 million character, it can do analysis. It can tell you the key points. And the third most important innovation in Gemini is a concept. From day one, Gemini knew how to use Google search. So from day one, it could provide real-time information, most updated information. We designed 4 models for Gemini. So earlier this year, we launched Gemini 1.0. Now Gemini 1.5 Pro is about to be released and providing much better performance. And early morning yesterday, I heard a even bigger breakthrough. There is a more updated model called 1.5 Flash. So it's the third one here. 1.5 flash means that the size of the model is a bit smaller than Gemini Pro 1.5, and the design is for bigger scale, higher frequency text processing. So it's providing better optimization. It can reduce some of the problems we are seeing with large language model, and that is cost. How does it do that? Gemini 1.5 Flash, as I said, it's a lightweight version of Gemini Pro, but it distills knowledge and extracts the most important value from Pro. So it can provide answer faster. The computing comes at a lower cost. It can deal with also 1 million character text. So that means a book, 4,000 page book, or 1 hours of recording. Gemini 1.5 Flash can provide low latency, low cost duplication. And by low cost, we means that by inputting 1 million character, the cost is only 35 cents US dollars. So in the future, we will continue to optimize, continue to provide more innovation. But here, a second topic, very important one in my talk, is responsible AI. At Google, we believe AI can make our life better, can make the world a better place. But we must uphold a key principle, that is, we need responsible AI. So our newly launched Learn LM allows you to combine the result of the research and some research principle in the model to provide a more personalized learning experience. And the second circle in this principle is to guarantee reliability and security of the model. So we use AI to test AI. So the second circle requires using AI to help us red teaming, using a mock attack, allowing the model itself to identify problems in big models. And we also we include the opinion from thousands of experts to continue to improve the model. And the third part of the responsible idea is, of course, about authenticity of the content. We know that there are a lot of fake news, fake pictures, synthetic pictures, so misuse of AI technology. To deal with this problem, we have the SysID technology. With SysID, we can now identify content generated by AI, and we can also watermark pictures generated by AI. These watermarks cannot be removed in any current technology. So we will use this open source technology, working also with other partners like Microsoft to build a standard, so that in the future we can offer better transparency in digital media. And the third part of my talk is about how AI can benefit everyone. For Gemini Advanced users, they can use Gemini 1.5 Pro model. We can directly enter 1,500 documents into Gemini Pro 1.5 Pro, or just 1 hour video into Gemini Pro, and Gemini Pro will help you analyze, integrate, and synthesize the content. Another important news is that by the end of this year, 1 million character will double into 2 million characters. We'll be able to process more text, more information in the system. Gemini will be able to provide even better analysis. So AI for everyone more importantly means that we will continue to improve the function so that in the future, with all the powerful technology and function, we will be able to read complex legal documents, for example, reading your current leasing contract. And Gemini will be able to read for you whether there's any loopholes or any limitation on keeping pets for the leasing contract. Or, for example, you can ask Gemini to help you prepare for your thesis in your master degree. You can provide several papers into Gemini and ask Gemini to summarize the key points in these papers and help you analyze the data and information. More importantly, Gemini is conscious about respecting privacy. So all your conversation and chat will be protected. It will not be included in the training data for Gemini. Privacy is the most important priority to Gemini Pro. As I said, Gemini 1.5 Pro can easily handle different types of information. More importantly, it now has very strong ability to understand picture and image. For example, when you take picture of a cuisine, of a dish, it can retrieve the recipe for you. Or you take a picture of a math question, it will show you how to solve that question. And also, you can directly talk to Gemini. So this video shows you the real-life examples of Gemini Live. Apart from talking to Gemini, you can also use your smartphone to better use Gemini. By the end of this year, with your smartphone, you can just take pictures or record the environment around you, and Gemini will be able to tell you where you are, which location is near you, or which destination you are, and what's the information related to the current location. With GenAI, this is how we will be really enjoying a better life with our AI assistant. And our president also directly show you how Gemini and GenAI can be used. Next, we are seeing how AI assistant can become personal assistant for everyone, and these assistants will be customized and personalized for your needs. Right now, Gemini can give you a suggestion for activities. It can read your Gmail and read the flights you're taking, when it will arrive, where it will arrive at, and provide you customized personal travel advice. So gradually, as Gemini understands you better, you can customize your Gemini. Gemini can become your training partner, can become your assistant in the kitchen. So this is what I want to show you. Personalized GenAI assistant will be deployed in the near future. We call it GEMS. GEMS will help you manage your life more efficiently in the future. We know that with GenAI, you can remove the background of your photo. Here, there are two more innovations. One is with the photo editing function with the magic editor. You can choose the human figure in the photo. You can expand that human figure, or using the best picture function and take and analyze a sequel picture, and then choose the best one and produce a best version. Or if you are proposing to your girlfriend in a noisy environment, and you are you're recording the process, then we have the function to help you remove the background noise in the recording. So it can help you create a better memory. Next, I want to show you the most popular function right now. That is Circle to Search. Circle to Search is now already available in several products. In the past, if you want to search something, you need to type the text in the picture to Google search to find results. But in the future, and also right now, you can simply circle the text you want to find out more information about, and then results will directly show up. So just draw a circle, use hand gesture, the search will be done automatically. And also there is auto translate integrated as well. So you may wonder how many people are using Circle to search right now. More than 100 million users are using Circle to Search function already. We hope that by the end of this year, we can double that number. Next function I want to share with you at Google is a very important tool for productivity. Oftentimes, we need to have meetings at workplace, but there is more efficient way with our function. We now can combine Gemini function in Google Meet. So when you use Google Meet with your colleague, you can ask Gemini to be with you and take meeting minutes, and write summary and come up with follow-up items of the meeting. This tool is now widely used already, and it will help boost productivity for many people soon. For Taiwan's supply chain suppliers, you may wonder what are some other business opportunities. Actually, our function is not only deployed for OnePlus or Pixel 8. Actually, right now, MediaTek for their 9300 and 8300 is using our function in their chipset. And so, apart from OnePlus and Oppo, currently already deployed with our Gemini function, there will be more to come in the future. Also, we talked about how smartphone can incorporate multiple cloud function in the future. In the past few years, at Google, we built a very great PC, Chromebook. So it's a simpler, safer way for you to browse, to use the cloud services. As Dr. Hong said, we are now moving Chromebook to the next generation called Chromebook Plus. Chromebook Plus will have AI built in. It is built for AI. You will be able to use Magic Eraser and Photoshop with Adobe to increase your productivity at work in the future. Now with Chromebook Plus, there are more than 30 AI functions built in, and there will be more incorporated in the future. These functions will work silently in the background to give you a better experience and more fluent workflow. The final piece of message I want to share with you is that in COMPUTEX, we will be there with ChromeOS Vice President and our Director, our President, John Solomon. We're joining COMPUTEX as keynote speakers. There, we will share with you more updated innovation and some key news. We do look forward to having more exchange with you at COMPUTEX. Thank you.